Creating a budget not only empowers you to manage your current finances, but also sets a solid foundation for future opportunities. Initial steps involve understanding your income streams thoroughly, whether they're from your job, side projects, or investments. It's critical to gather this data recent enough to reflect your real situation. So over the course of a month, diligently record every source of revenue. Following this, outline your expenses as meticulously. Category by category, from grocery bills to entertainment costs, you'll find patterns that reveal potential savings. Once you have a comprehensive picture of your income and expenses, it's time to evaluate your passive income projections. Be realistic. Overestimating potential earnings can lead to disappointment. Analyze your existing passive income streams, taking into account factors like website traction and customer engagement. It's essential to understand market dynamics and how they might impact your income, so engage in detailed research about any seasonal trends or product launches on your horizon. By assessing these elements, you can craft projections that align with actual performance. Even if results seem modest, remember that accurately estimating will build a stable foundation for your financial trajectory. Setting clear financial goals is essential for your budgeting journey. Think about what you want to achieve, whether it's saving for a significant life event, reducing debt, or investing for retirement. Having these objectives sketched out will steer your budget toward meaningful milestones. Break each larger goal into smaller, actionable steps. This system makes your aspirations more approachable and less daunting. For instance, instead of saving for a vacation as a lump sum, decide on how much to save each month so it becomes an achievable target. This strategy not only puts you on a focused path, but also keeps your motivation high as you progress towards each milestone and celebrate the victories along the way. As you establish these goals, remember to prioritize them based on urgency and importance. Some goals may require immediate attention, like paying off high-interest debt, while others, like investing in long-term projects, can be approached gradually. Establishing a timeline for reaching each goal will help maintain your focus and commitment. Keep your objectives visible, whether through a digital tracker, a vision board, or a written checklist. By actively monitoring your progress and celebrating small achievements, you'll create a sense of accomplishment that fuels your drive, pushing you closer to that coveted financial freedom. To ensure your budget remains effective, it's crucial to build in flexibility for life's uncertainties. Unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs, can crop up when you least expect them, potentially throwing you off course. By allocating a percentage of your budget to a contingency fund, you can safeguard your financial goals against sudden expenses. This readiness will relieve some stress and help you stay committed to your long-term objectives. Regularly revisiting your budgeting strategy will help you stay aligned with your current financial health while accommodating any changes. Aim to review your budget at least once a month. This habit enhances your understanding of your spending patterns and allows you to adjust goals or methods as necessary. Checking in on your progress keeps you accountable and ensures you're always moving forward towards your ultimate aim of financial independence. Allocate time to examine your budget thoroughly, especially after experiencing a financial shift or reaching a significant milestone. Make it a routine to celebrate the improvements, however small. This reflective practice doesn't just keep you on track. It also serves as a motivational tool, reinforcing the positive behaviors that lead towards your goals. Seek solace in the knowledge that every adjustment brings you closer to your financial aspirations. Embrace the journey, adapt as needed, and remain persistent. This commitment is key to creating lasting wealth and achieving the freedom you desire. As you refine your budgeting skills, consider the importance of professional guidance when necessary financial freedom and successful budgeting. As you vary, should you find yourself struggling with complex financial decisions or feeling overwhelmed by your budget, don't hesitate to reach out to a financial advisor. They can provide insights tailored to your unique situation, helping you create a customized financial plan that aligns with your passive income aspirations. By enlisting professional support, you empower yourself to navigate the intricate world of finance with greater confidence and clarity. Ultimately, these collaborative efforts can significantly bolster your path to continue your budgeting journey. Remember to embrace the process with patience and persistence. Constructing a financial plan that aligns with your dreams takes time, but each step is a vital piece of the puzzle leading you to lasting financial independence. Cultivating good habits now will pay dividends down the road. By consistently applying these principles and remaining committed to your financial goals, you will be well on your way to creating a budget that not only sustains your passive income dreams, but also fulfills your aspirations for financial freedom. Remember, each choice you make today impacts your future.